All right, welcome guys to a new appointment of our live trading on the markets. Today is the 18th of February, and we are here for another live trading episode. So, what happened during the weekend, and what is gonna happen today? What is our plan? So, during the weekend, on the U.S. market, they talked about the tariffs and everything. So the market is actually reacting pretty well to the new Trump administration. In fact, as you can see, I'm gonna show you right here, we are at all-time highs, absolutely all-time highs, as you can see. Well, actually, we touched all-time highs during pre-market in the 24th of January, but if we open right here today, we should be able to break it and we should be at all-time highs. So market is actually gapping up pre-market today, and there were no news, no macroeconomic news today. So what is gonna be our plan for today's session? All right, so we have market highs, as we said, around let me see right here, so 61.57 and 3/4. Now mark it right here, 51.57 3/4. Here it is. So let me mark this level right here. So this is all-time highs, right? All-time highs and also pre-market highs. So it's gonna be really interesting to see if we can push to that line, and if we can break it. Right now we are we're pulling back a little bit during pre-market. It's pretty weird, not used to this. So already a lot of contracts, as you can see, -1,000 delta pre-market is a really huge number, probably because there is a lot of tension here. We are close market all-time highs, so a lot of contracts are moving right now. So this is gonna be pretty interesting. I expect this session to be pretty volatile, and as usual, our strategy is gonna be the opening reversal scalp or opening continuation. So I'm gonna trade the first 1-2 minutes of the market, and I'm gonna try to catch a scalp in either long or short. It depends how the market reacts on the volume profile and how the orders develops. So I'm going to try to walk you through my thought process as a trade. So right now we're actually pulling off quite a bit from pre-market highs. This is really interesting, and as I said, there are already a lot of volumes on the market. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting session, absolutely. One thing I wanted to let you know is that I've changed the recording program, so it should not crash anymore. At least I hope so. Let's see how it goes. I don't know. I'm pretty skeptical, but let's hope everything goes the right way. So market opens in 30 seconds, and we are ready to go. So we're pulling off quite aggressive. So the scenarios that could happen here is a bounce straight up, and we could try to catch that, or it's gonna bleed. I mean, I'm more I'd like to take a long today, honestly, because the market is being very bullish lately. Right, so market open. Let's see if I have the opportunity here. Right, we made a high right here. All right, let's see. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go with we try to break the low. We're going down right now, a couple of points down. All right. Yeah, I wanted to take a short here, but I didn't know. I mean, that would have been a good trade, honestly. Take a short there, couple of ticks to the upside, rejection, boom, short there, couple of points. That was a great trade. But I'm more likely, I'd rather take a long today, looking at the macro conditions. So let's see if we can have a rejection here. And I'm gonna go with a buy order. If we get above 44 is my idea. So let's see if we get rejected here. That would be pretty good. That would be pretty good. Heading towards 44 and trying to catch along from there. So around this area right here. All right. So big negative delta. So that start the opening short would have been great. I wasn't ready to take it because I was more focused on a bounce and taking a long, honestly. But that would have absolutely be a good trade there. Right, a lot of volumes down here. You know what? A lot of volumes. I'm actually gonna buy market here. Yeah, I mean, stop pretty low, take profit at the open. So why did I get in long here? Well, because a lot of volumes developing here. Overall, it's positive day. We're opening with a positive gap. So I think this thing is gonna push up. Look at that, buying imbalances right here showing up on the footprint chart. We're heading towards our TP. Pretty fast, pretty good. We're already up 2.75 points. That's great. Let's see if we can push a couple of ticks higher right here and take a profit. Look at the delta, pretty high, 1,000 delta. That's great. Look at how we are bouncing off that 38 level. So our TP is around, let's lower it just a bit. Put it here around 43s. Let's see. All right, new candle opens, still pushing up, still pushing up. All right, and we got, not yet. All right, I think I'm gonna cut it off right here. Yep, we're out. That was a great trade, amazing trade right there. Made 750 bucks. Why did I cut it out? Well, I could have let it go, absolutely, yes, but I decided to cut that out because, you know, this is, as I said, this is a scalp, this is a fast trade. You don't want the market to bounce around like that. Look at this, we are bouncing around the 142.5, 142 area, and a lot of volumes are developing here, as you can see. So this is a nice rejection. I think that was an amazing exit. Yeah, actually, I mean, the market touched our TP but did not execute it because there were no contracts there. So I decided to cut it out a couple of ticks lower. Could have made a couple more, a bit more profit there, but I didn't want to be greedy. Today is pretty volatile, so I didn't want to be in a trade that turns around. And in a trade like this, a good thing to do, actually I didn't do it, but I should have, now that I think about it, was, so we got in around here, right? 139. We got in at 139, and our stop loss was around 137, I think. So one thing, so the market, as soon as we got in, the market actually started reversing and these green imbalances showed up, right? So when these green imbalances showed up and the market was around, 141, so you were already in profit, 2 points into the profit zone, you could have brought your stop loss to break even at least, or under, just a bit under these green imbalances, because usually the green imbalances work as a support. As you can see here, we pulled back into this imbalance area and we are bouncing off. So this could have been another quick scalp. I'm gonna have to test this a little bit in order to develop a trading strategy around it. But it's a thing that I've noticed a couple of times now that it usually happens. Like when the market pulls back into an imbalance area, either if it's a buying imbalance or a short imbalance, it tends to bounce usually. So anyway, this was a really nice example today. I think everything went right. So the recording is there, the voice is there, everything is good. That's it, I guess. I'm not gonna trade longer. Maybe later on I'm gonna try to see if I can catch a long, up here to catch that break of the all-time highs. But we'll see. Right now the market is not looking that great, honestly. Even though we are holding this support area, I don't know, I don't like it. So yeah, that's it. Well guys, see you in the next video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you like to subscribe, that would help me quite a lot, and see you in the next one. Bye.